how to remove insert watermark before export. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the insert watermark from your videos before exporting. So, no distractions, just clean, professional looking content. So, let's get started. Open up your Insert app and then choose the video of your choice. And then, now, just tap on the small watermark at the bottom of the screen. So, you can see something like this pop up. So if you want to remove the watermark without any ads, then you will need to pay for Insert Pro. But there's an option to remove for free. So you can tap on free remove, however, you'll need to watch an ad. So this is a limited time offer. And as you can see that the watermark has been removed. However, if you frequently edit videos and want to remove watermarks permanently, then you can subscribe to Insert Pro. It also unlocks advanced features like effects, fonts, and no ads. And that's it. Now you can easily export your video by tapping in the top right corner. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.